right, who can tell me what we were learning about last lesson in our science unit? What were we talking about? Who can tell me? Yep, Sally? Yes, so different types of materials, what things are made of. Excellent. Okay, who can tell me what are some of the new words we learnt in our last lesson? What were some of the different words we put in our word wall that's up behind us there? Jackson? Materials, yes, materials, excellent. And what does materials mean? What are we talking about when we talk about materials? Yes, well done. So different types of things. Excellent. Okay, what other words did we learn about? Remember, look at the word wall if we're forgetting. Emma? Yes, objects. And what does that mean, objects? Yes, so different things. So we could have a ruler is an object, a pen is an object, all those different types of things. It's similar to materials. Materials and objects, we can use them together, can't we? Well done. Any other words we can think of? Yep. Investigate. Oh, that's a brilliant word, investigate. And what does investigate mean? Yeah, exactly. We're kind of like detectives, aren't we? Okay, we're detectives and we're searching for the clues to help us figure something out, aren't we? We're looking into it and we're putting on our detective hats and solving the clues that we gather. Excellent. Any other words that anybody can think of? Yeah. Explore. So similar to sometimes our detective, sometimes we're an adventurer. We're going to explore different things. What do we do when we're exploring? Well done, exactly. So we're looking into different things. We might be doing experiments. We might be questioning things. Well done. Excellent. We're exploring different topics. Well done. Okay, excellent. So what we're going to do today is we're going to keep learning about our different materials and the way they can change. Okay, so change is going to go on our word wall today. Today we're going to investigate what happens to different materials when we bend them, twist them and pull them. Okay, so who can tell me, what do I mean when I say I'm going to bend something? What is bending something? Yeah, go ahead. Bending, yes, excellent. I love you showing me what you mean. So if we're bending something, we're kind of doing this action, aren't we? Bending is kind of similar to folding, so we could bend or fold something. Excellent. Who can tell me, what does it mean when I'm going to twist something? What do I do when I twist something? Sarah? Exactly, okay. And what do I do when I pull something? Excellent, you're pulling something. That's a good action to do. Pulling. Well done. Okay, so what are some things that I can bend, twist or pull? Who can tell me? Yes, go ahead. Yeah, we can bend our fingers. Well done, bending our fingers. That's a great one. What can we twist? Yep. Yeah, so we can twist all different types of like paper or plastics or things like that. Thinking about maybe in our lunch boxes we've got those yogurts in a straw sort of thing, the go-gurts. Okay, if we finish all of those and then we have the plastic, we can twist it around, can't we? Twist. Well done. Oliver, can you show me or show me an example on your body maybe of something you can pull? Yeah, anything you can think of. What can you pull on your body? Well done, yes. So Oliver's showing me you can pull hair. Well done. Okay, that's exactly right. Well done, Oliver. Okay, So what we're going to do now is kind of test it out a little bit. We're going to explore and investigate, okay? So what I'd like you to do is stand up, find a space in the room, your own space. Don't want you to be able to touch anybody. And we're going to move different parts of our body to show what we can bend, what we can pull, and what we can twist, okay? So let's have a look. Let's have a stand up around the classroom. Everybody find a spot and let's have a go. Okay, so what can you bend? What can you twist? What can you pull? Let's show me. Everybody show me. What can you bend? Oh wow, lots of different people doing lots of different bending. Excellent, you can bend lots of stuff on your body. Okay, so bending your fingers. Look at this. Bend, bend, bend. Excellent. Thinking about bending, same sort of thing would be folding. Bending and folding, similar sort of action. What could be fold? Can you guys show me what you can fold on your body? Well done. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And we're folding all the way over. That's excellent. Well done. Okay. What can we twist? Now be careful, we don't want to hurt ourselves. What can we twist? Show me things we're twisting. Well done. Oh, Jacob, I love that. Awesome. Okay. All right, let's have a go at thinking about if you can bend, twist or fold something or pull something. So thinking about some of the actions we've done, say bending our fingers. If we bend our fingers, are we able to put them back into its original place? Can you show me how we would do that? Yeah, awesome. Okay, we can do that. If we fold our arms, can we put it back in our original place? Show me if you can do that. Wonderful, excellent, that's exactly right. Okay. Why do you think we are able to do these sorts of things with our body? So why do you think we're able to bend our knees like Sarah's doing over there? James, why can we bend our knees? Okay, good job, awesome. All right. Why can we put things back where they're supposed to go with our bodies? Yes, well done. Okay, so we can put things back where they're supposed to go because we can move. We have all those range of motions. We can change the material function, can't we? We can physically change what we're doing to our bodies or to our hands and things like that. Well done. Okay. All right, let's come back down to the floor. Let's have a look at what we're going to do next. All right. Okay, so we're going to do an activity now that helps us collect evidence to prove something. So we're going to do an investigation. We're going to show how we can show our work and find out answers to different questions, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look now at a few different items and try to decide what it's made of and if we can bend it, twist it, pull it, fold it, all of those sorts of things. Okay, and we're going to use this table here to collect our information so it's easy to read and all of the information is in one place. Okay, so we can do these sorts of things in lots of different science experiments or investigations. We want to make all of our information as easy to read as possible, okay, so that we can figure out our answers pretty easily. Okay, so the table includes a space for object, so that's to write down what it's called, what is the object we're talking about. Okay, we've got what is it made of space, so we're going to look at the object and try and figure out what's it made of, what are we looking at here. Okay, we've got a can you bend it space, can you twist it space, and can you pull it space. Alright, and what we're going to do in these spaces is we're going to have a look at the material or the object, and we're going to have a go at seeing whether we can bend it, fold it, twist it, or pull it. If we can, we're going to put a tick in the box. Okay, and maybe we can bend, twist, and pull. Maybe we get all 3 ticks. If we can't bend it, for example, we're going to put a cross. So we can't bend that object, okay? we're going to have a go at recording our findings as a class. We're going to put our detective hats on and we're going to investigate, okay? So, are you guys ready to have a go? All right, the first one we're going to look at, I've had a go at starting it off myself, okay? So our object that we're looking at is, who can tell me what this is? Excellent, a glass. Do you know what it's made of? A glass, yes. So we could call it a glass or a cup. Up here I called it a cup. Okay, and this particular cup is made out of glass. Okay, well done. All right, so looking at this, it's got a little bit of water in it, so we have to be careful. But looking at the cup, all right, let's have a go. What is our first thing we're trying to figure out? Good job. Can we bend it? All right, well, let's have a go. Let's see. What was my bending motion? Bending, perfect. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to be careful. Is it moving at all? Am I bending it at all? No, I can't bend it. So what am I going to do in the box? Am I going to put a tick or a cross? Well done, a cross. So we can't bend it. In the same sort of thing, can we fold it? If we can't bend it, are we going to be able to fold it? No. Okay. Can I twist it? If I hold one end and hold the other and I try to twist, can I do anything to it? No. Okay. So what do I put in? A cross. All right. Can I pull it? Can I try and pull it? Maybe stretch it apart. Let's try. Oh. No, it's not moving. The material that is made out of is not bending, twisting, or pulling. So I'm going to put another cross in there. Okay, so our first one, it's not really doing anything, is it? It's pretty solid. It's not changing very much when we try to physically change it. All right, so I'm going to pass this around. You guys can have a go very gently, okay? And have a short go and then pass it along, okay? All right. Okay, the next one we're going to look at is alfoil. Okay. Alfoil. We have this mostly in our kitchens, don't we? What do we think this is made out of? Who can tell me? Yes. Metal. Yeah, this is made out of metal. Okay, very thin metal. But metal. All right. So let's write that in. What is it made out of? We're going to write metal. All right, let's try it out. Who wants to come up here and have a go at seeing if we can bend it? Oliver, well done. Come on up. Let's see if you can bend it. Okay, so look at that. Oliver did bend it. That's bent, isn't it? In a similar sort of thing, we could fold it as well. So it's kind of bending as well. Perfect. So we should put a tick in the bend it section. Good job, Oliver. Can we twist it? Sarah, let's have a go. Okay, look at that. Look at what Sarah did. Sarah twisted it like that. So can we twist it? Yes, awesome. So let's put a tick. All right, can we pull it? Let's see. Oh, what happened? So I pulled it and it snapped. So do we think we can pull it? Did it change? Did it? Yeah, it kind of did, didn't it? Okay, so maybe we could put a tick. All right, if that's what we think as a class, let's put that there. Okay, let's have a look at paper. All right, so now that we have completed our table and we've gone through all the different types of objects like our sock, our rubber band, our spoon, all of those sorts of things, let's have a look at our table. So we've got all of our information straight away. So if I asked you, Jackson, you have a go. Can you tell me, can I twist a rubber band? Yes, well done. And how did you know that? because you said you looked at the rubber band, you looked at the twisted column, and it's got a tick in it. So do you see how we can use our tables to organize our information and read it easily? Awesome. All right. So who can tell me what happens to the objects when you bend or twist or pull them? Yes, they change. They change. Excellent. How do they change? In a lot of different ways or just one way? Oh, different ways. Excellent. Who can tell me, why do you think some objects bend or twist or pull or fold more easily than others? Sarah. Okay. Here's one. Does being made of plastic or metal or paper definitely mean an object is easy to bend or hard to bend? Why? Yes, okay, so if we think about metal, here we've got two different objects that are made of metal. We've got our spoon and we've got our alfoil. Now they're different sizes in terms of, this one's quite thin, this one's a thicker sort of metal. Okay, so we can twist this one, but we can't twist this one. Okay, all right. What happened to the objects after we stopped bending them or twisting them or pulling them? What happened afterwards? Emma. Yes, most of them went back to their original shape. What about this? No, this one stayed in the way that we manipulated it. Okay, awesome, excellent, really great job. All right, okay, let's get into our next part.